Hello, we are back. I'm Sri, this is Gwen and Daddy. Okay, so today we're gonna teach you 5 common words used in Mandarin and Tamil.
The first word that we're going to learn is money. In Chinese we say money is Chien.
Chien, money is Chien.
Yes, Chien.
Chien.
Then the second word we're going to learn is let's go. Zhou.
Chou.
Zhou.
Chou.
Zhou can be like 2 meanings. One, the meaning is like let's go. Another meaning is like walking.
Okay.
Zhou.
Okay, so yeah,
yes.
Chou.
So
Let's go is Chou.
No. Usually when we say zhou, mean let's go.
Oh, Chou. Let's go. Okay.
And then if I want to say now is SienChai.
Now is SienChai.
Yeah, SienChai.
SienChai.
SienChai mean now.
Now, it's the two wording is just one word. It's now.
Yes.
Okay.
You can combine with 走 like 现在走. Now let's go now. 现在走.
SienChai Chou.
Yeah.
SienChai Chou. Okay.
Next we're going to learn how to say can and cannot.
Okay.
Can is 能.
能
Cannot is 不能.
不能 不能
You still remember, right? When we say cannot, like we must use 不 at the front of the word.
Yes.
So
不要
it's
or
like
something like
不要,
that.
Yeah. This one cannot and can is like 能 不能.
不能 cannot.
If
不能
can is
能
cannot.
不能
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Chien.
What we learn is money is Chien.
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 Chien. The next word was
Let's go. 走.
let's go is Chou.
Then now is 现在.
Now is SienChai.
Then can and cannot is?
Nen and PuNen.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, now we're going to learn in Tamil. Money is Kaasu.
Kaasu.
Kaasu. Money is Kaasu. So like when you say you don't have money, like in the previous lesson you learned illa is no, right? You can say Kaasu illa.
Oh, Kaasu is
Kaasu illa.
okay.
Okay, next word is let's go. Let's go is Vaa Polam. Say
Vaa
Polam.
Polam.
Okay. Vaa is come, Polam is go.
Oh,
So it's Vaa Polam.
Vaa Polam.
Or no, you can just, to simplify, you can just say Vaa.
Vaa. This one more easy. Vaa.
Yeah, Vaa.
Okay.
Okay. Next word is now. Ippe. Ippe.
Ippe.
Ippe. Now is Ippe.
Ippe.
Ippe. So the other day we teach is Yeppe. Yeppe is when.
when.
Now is Ippe.
Ippe.
Ippe. Okay. Now is to say can and cannot. To say can, you say Mudiyum.
Mudiyum.
Yes. So to say no,
Cannot.
to say cannot, you say
Mudiyadu.
Mudiyathu. Mudiyathu.
Mudiyadu.
It's one word. Mudiyathu.
Mudiyadu.
So yeah. So how you say you can? Mudiyum.
Mudiyum.
You cannot?
Mudiyadu.
Mudiyathu.
Mudiyadu.
Yes. Okay, the Tamil word we learned today is money is Kaasu. Let's go is
Vaa.
Vaa Polam. Vaa.
Vaa.
Yeah. Now is Ippe.
Ippe.
You can do it is Mudiyum.
Mudiyum.
You cannot is Mudiyathu.
Mudiyadu.
Yes. Okay. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.
Now you're going to teach me how to say those words in Tamil.
Dog apa je sopan tu dog.
Already talk.
Yeah. Money is. What's the
Now.
next one? The next one is now.
Now.